So, when you're learning guitar, one thing that you're going to want to learn really quick, along with chords and pentatonic and scales, is what note you're hitting when you're hitting a single note. Because when you start making music with other artists, for instance, you can't tell the artist like, oh, I'm on the second string, second fret, you know? What does that mean? Well, if you knew that was a B, you could communicate with another artist and say, I'm playing a B, opposed to second string, second fret, which isn't language in piano. So, first thing you gotta learn is open strings are E, A, D, E, A, D, G, B, E. And now, every time you go up a fret, you're going up a half step. Now, there is 12 steps, you could say, in music. There is A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And then there are 5 either flats or sharps, however you want to put it. So here we have E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, and back to E. So note that the 12th, the double dots, you're gonna be right back where you started. Also take note that these have both top E and bottom E have the exact same thing going on. So it's E, F, G, A, B, C, D, back to E. Now, the A chord goes A sharp, B, C. Now, B and C do not have a step in between them. Like on a piano, you'll notice there's no black note in between B, and that is why there is no sharp or flat. It just goes from B to C sharp, to D, to E, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. Right back where we started. Okay, now we have the... It's good to talk the letters out till you got them memorized. So G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, then you can go backwards. G, F sharp, F, E, D sharp, D, C sharp, C, B, A sharp, A, G sharp, G. Alright, so for the D string we have, it's the third from the top, it's D, D sharp, E, F. Now note, E and F are also notes that do not have a black note between them on the piano. So there is no flat or sharp. So E goes right to F, just like B goes to C. So E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D. Right where we started on the 12th. So, B's and C's, E's and F's. And the B string. You've got B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, back to B, and then the bottom E is just like the top E. So let's try it backwards. E, D sharp, D, C sharp, C, B, A sharp, A, G sharp, G, F sharp, F, E, and do that until you have it all memorized. Now I'm going to tell you a couple more secrets that I know. So, on the guitar, if you ever are curious about a note, so let's use A for instance. So A right here is on the 5th fret top string. If you move 2 down and 2 over, you will find yourself at an A as well. So 2 down and 2 over. So 2 strings down. So we have A, 2 strings down, 1, 2, and 2 frets over, 1, 2. And this is also an A. And this goes for any place on the guitar. You know, you got G, down 2, over 2. G, right here. So that will help you locate notes and get this fretboard down, man. So, you have to remember, especially though, is that B and C do not have a flat or sharp in between them, and neither does E and F. So, you have to know that. E, F. Okay, so that is, and so how this scale works is it goes, you can start from wherever you want, but I like to start from C really, and it goes C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, and that is all 12 notes. You should write it down and start memorizing it. I have in the description a link to my studio page on Facebook. If you'd like to schedule a private lesson, we can do it through video or the phone or Skype, whatever, Facebook. Or you could get a lesson from my dad. He's really good. And I also have a Patreon account link down there, which is going to have some stuff that you won't see on YouTube. So I would love it if you guys would watch me on Patreon. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, guys.